right, roundabout, same thing. Intersections, be careful. He did head checks. Very good. Very good, doing his thing. Oh, what happened? Oh. Throttle cable screwed up? Oh, man. Hopefully he's okay. All right, so going through the intersection, he was doing his head checks, did everything great. That right there, did you hear that? That was a downshift. I believe that was a downshift. So what happens there, maybe he let out the clutch a little bit too quickly right around here. So that it did a really bad downshift and it caused that rear tire to slip a little bit. Who knows? It could have been something in the road, but now we're kind of set up wrong. So what happens when we're in a lower gear and then we give it too much throttle? Lower gear, you're typically more torque. So that low gear now gave it a ton of throttle, lost traction on that rear tire low-sided. Hopefully it's well protected. It's got sliders on it. Hopefully it's not super damaged. Yeah, it wasn't smooth. That's the biggest thing on this one. It wasn't a smooth maneuvers or anything like that. His situation awareness was really good, but the fundamental of switching gears and brakes and throttle wasn't the greatest. And the only thing I can think of is that maybe he went from a smaller CC bike to the Yamaha R1 and he's not accustomed to the same 10% throttle, the same 10% brake. Because the 10% throttle on this is going to be a lot more than a 400 or 600. Get a feel for the dynamics. Get a feel for the throttle. And take it to a parking lot, play around a little bit. Don't push the limits of your new bike like you've been pushing the limits of your old bike. Always figure out what things are, how things are with this new bike, and then when you get comfortable, take it out and do what you need to do.